May I come in, sir?
Yes, come. Take your seat, please.
Thank you.
Okay. This is Eklian Ahmed Ohi. I'm the examiner of this Viva section, and we are sitting in Target Education Shahi, Eidgah, Sylhet. First of all, we will divide this test in 3 sections. Okay. Firstly, we will ask or we will answer some kind of short questions. Okay. What's your name, sir?
My full name is Mirajur Rahman Ajad.
Okay. Mirajur Rahman
Ajad.
Ajad. Okay. How can I call you?
Can you call me Ajad?
Okay, I can call you
Ajad.
Ajad, sir. It's your nickname, maybe.
Yes.
Okay. What's your favorite food?
My favorite food, I have many favorite food, but I most prefer biryani because it is very delicious and the smell is amazing and I love it.
Okay. What's your hobby?
My favorite hobby is traveling
Okay.
because it gives me learn many new things
Okay.
and connect other people, different culture peoples.
Okay, it's a good thing, I hope. Okay. What's your favorite color, sir?
I have many favorite colors. Which one is white
Okay.
because it is symbol of Islam.
Smart. It's a very good thing, I hope. And most of the students can't say it properly. Okay. How many members have in your family?
My family members in 11.
Okay.
My father, my mother, and we're siblings 9.
Okay. Thank you. And now we will move to section 2. Please introduce yourself.
First of all, this is Mirajur Rahman Ajad. I am 18 years old and I am from Hobbygonz, but now I live in Shahi, Eidgah, Sylhet.
Okay.
I consider myself a friendly and hardworking person,
Okay.
but sometimes I am a lazy person.
Okay. It's a good thing. Most of the time we need to take some rest for entertainment. Okay, carry on.
Yes. In my personal life, I like spending time with my friends and family. This is a most important part of my life.
Okay.
And I like free time. I enjoy watching movies and TV series.
Okay.
It's also helped me grow as learn new thing. That's
Okay. Thank you. And now we will move to part 3. First of all, you need to take a topic from this box and then you need to talk about this topic around 2 minutes. Do you understand what I say?
yes, I will try.
Okay, sir. Please take one. Okay, can I see this? Your topic is experience with target education, and it's a very good topic, I hope, for you.
Yes, I hope.
Okay, so please start your speaking now.
First of all, Target Education is a coaching center. It's situated in Shahi, Eidgah, Sylhet.
Okay.
Because I think it is not just a coaching center. It is a place that has truly transformed my learning journey and confidence.
Okay.
Right now, my main goal was improve my English because I dreamed of going to abroad for higher studies. At that time, I was not confident at all because I know I didn't eat properly.
Okay.
Moreover, everything started to change after I joined Target Education. This institution provides a friendly, supportive, and peaceful learning environment.
Okay.
We practice English every day and have group discussion and arrange club activities. These activities help me overcome my fear and improve my English skill. As far as I am concerned, the teachers at Target Education are incredibly patient, knowledgeable, and dedicated.
Oh my God. Thanks.
I would especially like to mention my class teacher, who is very friendly and always explain everything clearly.
Okay.
One of his favorite saying is, to make progress in your life, you need a counselor.
Okay.
This line truly inspired me. At that time, at last, the end of my journey with target education, I can say that this is one of the most remarkable part of my life.
Okay.
And I am truly thankful to all my teachers and this institution for helping me learn, grow, and believe in myself. And I thank Allah for giving me the opportunity to study at target education. That's all about.
Okay,
That's
thank
it.
you, sir. Okay, your speak is very good and you can improve your English properly. If you want to add some kind of linkers in this topic, it will be more preferable and it will be more beautiful. Okay, if we talk about your pronunciation, it's very good and I hope you will get better score in your IELTS exam or in your future journey. Okay, so that's end of your speaking test. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.